Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easy methods to generate short clips from long videos using AI tool. So this is the tool which is called v.io, and make sure you will have logged in with the Google account. And here is the dashboard. You will see there are some editing features by the AI, and you will just select it from this one, create clips beta. So extract highlights from a longer video. I will just tap on it simply, and when it's load, so here is the option. You will just drop a YouTube link from the YouTube right over here, and I will just simply, this is the podcast video, and I will just make it for like short. So I will just tab on it for great. So when you just purchase the plan, you will just upgrade to pro. So this is will be the elevate your videos with AI tools. So it will the longer video generate into short like this one. This is some you will see the examples right over here. So you will be able to use it easily, and easy methods to generate short clips from longer videos using AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.